is our vintage bowl assortment, all from the same thrift store. And I love this place because each of their little tags has a discount typically. So, and I'm sorry, but I always forget what each color means. I believe though the white ones, it's either the white or the blue, do not have a percentage off. So either way, not too shabby for some beautiful vintage glass bowls. And then this one's pretty neat because it has a stem, so it looks really neat, and I thought it would definitely look neat housing some indoor plants. So let's get to planting. We're going to get started with our gorgeous golden colored glass bowl. And I decided, because this one was the largest of them, I was going to put our little cactus succulent garden into this one. And they are just so cute. I love those little things. So I did this a few times and I realized if I filled it all the way up with soil, it really just didn't show off the glass bowl like I wanted it to. So if you're to do this, and especially if you're using colored glass, don't fill it all the way to the top with the soil. Maybe leave about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of the glass, so that way you can really show off that beautiful bowl. Okay, let's put some rocks around this little succulent garden, and thankfully I have plenty to choose from because I have trays, I guess you could call these, trays and trays, or dishes and dishes of rocks, thanks to David being a rock collector. I don't know what this little guy is, but that doesn't belong. And maybe let's go with a color here, and we'll go with maybe some white rocks. So we'll just place them all around and see if we like the looks of that. As always, thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to hit that like button. I will see you guys next time, and I hope you have a beautiful day.